Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever noticed how animals like horses change the way they move? They'll walk, trot, or gallop depending on the situation, and they do this instinctively to be as efficient as possible. Well, teaching a robot dog to do the same thing is a massive challenge in robotics. Most quadruped robots are stuck using a single, pre-programmed gait, which is usually a trot. This is like forcing a horse to only ever trot, whether it's moving slowly or at a full sprint. It's incredibly inefficient and severely limits the robot's adaptability. But in this paper, researchers detail a new framework that gives robots the ability to choose. They've created a hybrid approach that combines the best of two powerful AI techniques, model-based planning and model-free reinforcement learning. You can think of it as giving the robot both a brilliant planner that can look into the future and an experienced coach that has learned from thousands of trials. Together, they help the robot make optimal decisions in real time. Instead of just picking from a fixed menu of gaits like walk or trot, their system continuously optimizes the gait parameters. This means it can create brand new, blended gaits that are perfectly suited for the robot's current speed and task. The AI is constantly evaluating factors like velocity tracking, energy use, and stability to find the best way to move. So, how did it perform in testing? The researchers ran simulations where a robot dog was commanded to move at a continuously increasing speed. As you can see in these graphs, the robot flawlessly tracked the desired velocity. And if you look at this gait graph at the bottom, you can see the foot contact patterns changing over time. This is visual proof that the robot is adapting its gait as it speeds up, transitioning smoothly without any hiccups. This adaptive behavior leads to some incredible efficiency gains. This table compares the energy consumption of their method against robots using fixed gaits at various speeds. Their system was consistently more efficient, reducing energy consumption by an average of 15 to 20%, and in some cases, by over 36%. That's a huge improvement, simply by letting the robot choose how it wants to run. So to quickly recap, the researchers created an AI that lets robot dogs choose their own gait, much like a real animal. This system makes the robot more adaptable and stable, and drastically cuts down on energy use. It achieves this by combining a smart planner with a learned value function. What does this mean for the future? This work could lead to robots that can operate for much longer on a single battery charge. Imagine search and rescue robots that can cover more ground, or delivery drones that are more economical. The next steps for the researchers are to test this on real-world hardware and adapt it for navigating rough, uneven terrain. It's a fantastic step towards making robots as agile and efficient as the animals that inspired them. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.